The US-Mexico border is a hub of creativity. With the meshing of cultures, it creates a vibrant art scene. And you see that at almost every turn. I am heading to a carne asada with lowriders, suit suitors, and muralists to meet some of the most prolific artists in El Paso.
Hola, hola.
Hello.
Pati, mucho gusto.
Yo me llamo Cata.
Ay, mucho gusto. Ay, tú eres Amy. Hola. ¿Y tú?
Eduardo Becker.
¿Y Spanish or English?
Los dos.
Ed, te dicen. You're not a muralist,
No soy muralistas.
pero you're friends with Simi.
Soy amigo de...
Okay, and you?
I'm Simi's my husband.
Oh, don't let me get in between you. Husband and wife. Like, please.
Artist Simi and his wife Cata own a graffiti shop downtown and have found El Paso a great place to make art and build community.
So what is it about the border that lured you?
I think that the border is a really compelling place. It's two worlds that kind of come crashing up against each other, and there's really beautiful things that happen in that, and there's really devastating, terrible things that happen. So I feel compelled to do the parts that I can to, lessen that. And I feel like part of the way I can do that is through artwork and providing the tools people need to create artwork.
Of course, no, sí.
That intention is magnetic, and so many of the people who are literally coloring this city are here today.
Hola, ¿y tú te llamas?
Christian.
Christian, I've read about you guys too. You're los dos.
Yes.
No, you're los tres.
Exactly.
Hey, are you los tres?
I'm the littlest one.
Yeah.
How old are you? How old is he?
He's about to be 2.
Oh, so you're like a community of artistas.
Yeah,
Artists.
I want to check out some of these murals firsthand with the artists themselves. And lucky me, I have a way to get there in style.
Never been in a lowrider
Right now, I'm
before.
just lifting up the body a little bit. Here at the border, there's a lot of passion here.
There's a lot of emotion everywhere.
Motion, music. People are proud people here. People think that we're just border people, but there's more nuances.
There's so many people that I know that are from El Paso that tell me, I've moved away, I've lived in other cities, and I always end up coming back.
That's right.
And I'm feeling the magnetic pull.
You can be who you are, and you won't be judged.
For many of the artists here in El Paso, like Cristina Podaca, the murals aren't just about self-expression.
So when did you make these?
I made this in 2019.
And what's the name?
It's called Contigo, so with you.
Okay.
So my idea for this piece, because it's so close to the border and people walking and coming and going,
Yeah.
is I wanted it to feel like these cacti, these nopals, they're kind of protecting you. They are dangerous in themselves, but surrounded you, they protect you.
So you're thinking about the people that are migrating.
Definitely. They're maybe coming from the border across or coming back home or going back home over there, that they have someone with them. We all kind of need that protection and that strength.
In the journey, along the
Yeah.
journey. This is so beautiful.
Thank you.
Artist Los Dos created this Sister Cities mural to represent the connection and tension between El Paso and Juárez.
The women's expression, they're not necessarily smiling. They have a kind of awkward relationship, I would say.
The chain link represents the fence that existed before the wall was built.
We definitely want to pay homage to the people that are caught in between, and that's the faces that you see in between the chain link fence and the sun. We've had conversations with people who work at the border, and just our experience here, the sun is a very important symbol. And the jaguar represents like strength and resistance, but also kind of the animals that are also affected by the division of the land. And their migration patterns are kind of truncated because of it.
It's just like representative of the border. I feel like we've lived here for so long and we just wanted to represent visually this space.
And yeah, just we kind of started putting those narratives into our work.
I could stare at it and continue to ask so many questions here. It's beautiful.
Thank you.